Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make 3D button hover effect using HTML and CSS. Before I watch this video, make sure you have a basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. No, not Word again. Why does it always keep happening? So anyways, open up your favorite code editor. Click on File, Open Folder, go to Documents, right click, click on New Folder and name it 3D Button. Add that select folder. So yes, we've done this, but now what to do? So now I'm going to create an index i.html because I'm too lazy to write index, and i.css. In the i.html, write HTML5. Write HTML5. Then create a button. It's basically the only thing we're going to be using for this entire project. Yay! Now, create a link with an rel of style sheet and a href of index i.css. Save. Copy the path of this, paste it, and just an empty button. Yeah, totally what we want. I'm going to go to color picker. So now I'm going to pick a cool background color. Now the RGB for this background color is 74,79,75. So I'll create a body and then set its background color to RGB 79,75. There. Now I have this cool dark background. I'm also going to pick a color for the actual button. Perfect. So write button, background color, square brackets, my worst enemy, RGB, no I meant, and then I'll paste the hex code. So now, this is this background color, a bright green background color. So I'm going to set the border to none so they won't have these ugly outlines around it. But now our button is monostrobically. Now our button is minuscule. So set this padding to 150 pixels. Margin left to 600 pixels. Margin top to 250 pixels. Now it's bigger and better, like always. I'll reduce the margin left. 500 is enough. Bigger and better. But I want my button to be a square. To be a circle, not a square. So set this border radius to 100%, which basically turns the button into a circle. You have a perfect circle. But this circle isn't really looking that 3D. So I'm going to set the box shadow to inset 1040 pixels, not square brackets, whatever, and then like 40 10. Then set it to RGBA 0,0,0,0,0.5. My best friend. I haven't used that in years. Pixels, 40 pixels. This would, meant to be 10 pixels, not just 10. Now we have this box shadow, but it's emitting from the completely wrong place, which is not good if you are a box shadow philosopher like me. It's good. 0 pixels. 30 pixels. There we go. Next we need to increase the size to make it more blurrier. Maybe 40 will do the trick. Yeah, it will. And I'm going to increase the subtleness of this. 0.45. And then I'll copy the same box shadow code. Right click, copy, and paste. But then I'll just flip the values. Minus 30 pixels, 40 pixels, and this is going to be white. So RGB 255, 255, 255. Now you won't really be able to see anything because because of how light this thing is. And now I'm going to copy this. I cut it instead. Flip the values again. It's the same thing. Because that's will reduce the height to this. It was 50 pixels. Whatever. So anyways, now it's time to make the hover effect. Right button, hover. Now I will set its padding to 200 pixels. I'll set this transition to 0.1 seconds. I also add another box shadow, except that's not going to be inset, it's just going to be normal box shadow. Just going to be normal box shadow, paste, and then 0, 0, yes. Oh yes, no insets. Yeah, padding 150 pixels, a bit too unsubtle. 160. I'll increase the size of this. Now when we hover over this, now change this to 0.6. Now when we hover over this, I'm going to copy the box shadow. I want the box shadow to also change with it. So set all these values except that I'll increase this like 90 and reduce this like 0.45. And I'm also going to add a rotate to it. Rotate 360 degrees. Yeah, or maybe 0.1 seconds isn't the norm. 0.5 increase. So anyways, that is the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.